Deduce the relation between, next topic is deduce relation between the physical quantities. Deducing the relation between the physical quantities. This method is used to establish the relation between different physical quantity. I explain it with the help of an example. Method to getting relationship. Number one. Here we find on which physical quantity other physical quantity depend. Number two. Now we placed power A, B, C, D on the dependent quantity. Number three, now we placed dimension formula in place of physical quantity. Physical quantity. After that, we compare the power of same physical quantity from both sides and solve the equation in A, B, C and get their value. At the end, we put the value of A, B, C in the initial equation and we get desired result. And we get desired result. At the end, we put the value of ABC in the initial equation and we get desired result. Now we explain the above method within the help of an example. Example, if force on a body depends upon its mass and acceleration, then force depends upon mass, force depends upon acceleration. Here I put the value of acceleration by capital A. Now F directly proportional to m into A. Here m and A are the dependent quantity. Force depends upon m and A. So we take the power of m is A and A is B. We write F is equal to K m A raised to the power B, where K is proportionality constant. The value of K is 1. Let the value of K is 1. Then F is equal to m A raised to the power B. We know that the dimension formula of F is m L T minus 2. And the dimension formula of mass is m. Dimensional formula here is acceleration. Dimension formula of acceleration is L T minus 2. Dimension formula of m is capital M. Dimension formula of A acceleration is L T minus 2. We know the equation is F is equal to m raised to the power A raised to the power B. Here we put the dimensional formulas m L T minus 2. The mass is m A L T minus 2 B. M L T minus 2 is equal to, we open the bracket, m raised to the power L A B L raised to the power B T raised to the power minus 2B. Comparing the power of m, we get 1 is equal to A. Next, power of L, 1 is equal to B. Now power of T, minus 2 is equal to minus 2B. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2B. Or we can say B is equal to 1. Or we can say B is equal to 1. Now we put this value in the equation. F is equal to m raised to the power A raised to the power B. We get F is equal to m ki power 1, A raised to the power 1. We get the formula F is equal to m into A. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. By this method we can get the relation in between every physical quantity. If the relation exists with the help of dimension formula, then only the relation exists, otherwise the relation cannot be exist. This is used with the help of the principle of homogeneity.